All right, thank you so much for coming back for more of this knowledge. I hope that this video is helping you out. That is my pure intention. I only got a few subscribers. I think I only have one subscriber at the time of this video, and that's totally fine. If I help one person, then that's one more person that can get through an insurance claim with less headaches and more money. But this video is actually going to be on how do you submit pictures to your insurance claim, to your insurance company for an insurance claim. So a lot of companies these days, they're going to AI and automation. They're really not utilizing that many adjusters if they don't have to, especially for the beginning stages of a claim. A lot of companies have metrics on how quickly they have to pay your claim, and actually that's written in the policy as well. So when you file a claim, they have a certain amount of time that they must respond to your claim, and once they acknowledge receipt of the claim, then they have to actually pay you something within a reasonable amount of time. So today's video, I'm going to actually show you how to submit photos to get to have the least amount of headaches, the more amount of money, and the most streamlined process. So I'm going to use my car. This is just a daily driver of mine. I call it Blue Dream. It's a 1995 Honda Civic. Again, this is the cash car I was telling you guys about. It's not costing me any money. It's not expensive, so I'm here shooting content with it. But ultimately, your insurance company is going to ask you for specific pictures. Right. So when you go into your app, it's going to ask you to upload a series of pictures. So you might see the acronym VOIL, VOIL. That's VIN, odometer, inside, and then license plate. So what they want to do, they want you to start with this picture, right? So you're going to have a VIN. Your VIN number on most vehicles is going to be right there on the dash, or it's going to be right here on the door pillar. Okay, so on some cars it's down here, on some cars it's right here, on some cars it's out here on the door. Okay, so the first picture is going to be your VIN number. Then what the insurance company wants you to do is give them the four corners picture. So what this does is you would start here in your driver front left. You would go over to your passenger, to the passenger side. You would go to your passenger side rear right here, and then you'll come back and finish at your driver's side rear. And what these photos do, if you can't tell, is it gives the insurance company very clear images of all sides of your car. All right, they want to see all the panels. So for instance, if I got hit, I got a small dent here. Okay, if I got hit right here, and then I tell the insurance company that my driver's side door was damaged, they want to see the entire panel. They want to say, well, how did the damage go from here? It didn't go here, it didn't go to that door, but it all of a sudden went to that door. Okay, that's what I mean about it inflating damages. All right, one other thing that it also helps the insurance company do is determine what was already pre-existing. Again, if you got hit on the left rear, the right rear is not going to be included. All right, they can also look at the damages and see, are they rusty? Has this damage been here? And if it's been here, is it rusted or does it look fresh? Okay, so the last picture that I need to tell you about is the inside picture. All right, so what they want to see with this picture, from this view here, that would be a picture. They want to see, is your seatbelt deployed from the accident? Is there an airbag that's deployed? They want to see your odometer. You want to get them a clear picture of your odometer. All right, but the inside picture will show them about if your seatbelts have been deployed in the front. Did any airbags deploy? Because some of these cars, a lot of them have a driver passenger airbag. They have airbags down here for your knees. They also have airbags that come out of the seat, and then they have the seat belt, which deploys, which keeps you sucked into the seat so you don't go flying forwards. And then they also have airbags in the headliner that come down as well, that protect you so your head doesn't hit this column here. Okay. So I hope this video helps out that initial claims process. The point of this video is that you are going to need those 4 corners. So again, that's going to start where you're going to need the VIN, so you can get the VIN number off of the dash or off of the driver's side door area. Then you'll need the 4 corners, which was the front driver left, passenger front right, passenger rear, and then driver's side rear. You need to submit clear photos. You also need the inside picture to show if there's any airbags that deployed at all. You also need your odometer. All right, so all these pieces of information help them document when the loss happened, how many miles the car had, which car did it occur on. You know, if you have 5 of the same vehicles on the policy, your VIN number is the only differentiator between applying the claim to the correct vehicle. I cannot stress enough, your photos need to be clear. Do not upload pictures at night. Do not move your camera and blur it. Do not submit shaky videos. Do the best that you can, but if you don't take the time and you half-ass the initial part of the claims process, you can already expect delays, because they can't do anything unless you submit them clear information. All right. I'll do another video on the estimating process. Actually, I'll just include it in here. So once you upload the damage photos to your insurance company, the claim is then going to be assigned to a property damage adjuster or material damage adjuster. It's just basically an auto adjuster, right? So you're going to initially be talking to an adjuster that handles the liability portion, and I'll do a video on the claims process, but then you'll be dealing with the actual adjuster to write the estimate. So they're going to do a brief estimate based on the photos that you submit, based on the damages that you report. So they'll use the photos you submit, making sure that they're clear, legible. If not, they'll call you to get more pictures, and then they'll write you an initial estimate. So I'm not gonna go into what the initial estimate is on this video, but that's the initial part of the claim process. Thank you so much. I hope that was clear. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and then I will upload any other video that I need to be clear. Okay. So thank you so much. Appreciate it.